Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate YouTube channel for all things comparison. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. Yes, those flying gizmos that make you feel like a tech wizard and a bird all at once. On the left, we have the Radclow Mini Drone, and on the right, the Holystone GPS Drone HS360S. Two drones enter, one drone leaves, in your shopping cart. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk price. The Radclow Mini Drone is priced at a very wallet-friendly $62. That's like 3 pizzas and a soda. On the other hand, the Holystone HS360S is a whopping $209. For that price, it better come with a personal butler. So if you're looking to save some cash for your next pizza night, Radclow's got you covered. But hey, you get what you pay for, right? So let's see what else these drones have to offer. Next up, camera quality. Radclow's Mini Drone has a 1080p HD camera. It's like the flip phone of drone cameras. Solid, reliable, but not exactly groundbreaking. The Holystone HS360S, however, packs a 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor. It's like the iPhone 13 of drone cameras. If you want to see every leaf on every tree in your aerial shots, Holystone's got your back. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Radclow's got this nifty one-key takeoff landing button and stable altitude hold function. Even your grandma could fly this thing. The Holystone HS360S, though, is like that overachieving cousin who's already got a PhD. It's got advanced connection tech, GPS, and a bunch of pre-programmed flight modes. Perfect for those who like to feel like they're piloting a NASA spacecraft. For those who love to fly for longer, Radclow offers 22 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Pretty decent for a mini drone, but Holystone is flexing with its 10,000 feet long-range transmission and a 20-minute flight on a single charge. It's like comparing a daily jogger to a marathon runner. Both are impressive, but one's definitely going the distance. And what about features? Radclow's got a bunch. High-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, and even 3D flips. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Meanwhile, Holystone's here with intelligent recording modes like spiral up, catapult, and one-tap ascension. It's basically a flying Spielberg. If you want your drone to do all the work while you sip your latte, Holystone's your co-pilot. Lastly, customer support. Radclow offers 24-hour technical support and a money-back service. It's like having a friend who's always there for you, even at 3 a.m. Holystone also promises great support and keeps upgrading their app. It's like getting free upgrades for life. Who wouldn't want that? Based on Amazon reviews, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers appreciate the Radclow Mini Drone for its affordability, ease of use, and durability, despite some issues with wind resistance and control. On the other hand, the Holystone GPS Drone HS360S is praised for its advanced features, camera quality, and stability, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced pilots. So there you have it, folks. If you're ballin' on a budget and want a solid, easy-to-fly drone, Radclow Mini Drone is your guy. But if you're looking to splurge a little and want top-notch features and camera quality, Holystone HS360S is the way to go. Which one will you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.